In 2016 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, ventilated front seats, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, leather upholstery, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.